And what's this? I got a frog too here. A little green nice froggy. Hey, little froggy, how are you? How are you here? What are you doing here? How have you come here? Yes, go up. What's it? Go up. Let's go up. Do you want to swim? Or what do you like? Do you like to jump a little? Little frog. What an amazing creature. Look at this. Oh, so nice and sweet. Hello, little froggy. Hello, little froggy. Hi, froggy. Oh, got many animals here today. More than ever. Hey, froggy, visiting me at my home. I love it. I think this frog got true wisdom of love and grace. Yes, she jumps out here on the market and away. Now it's free. It was in this hink. He said jumped and didn't came up. So then I put it there and now it's jumping away. That was all for now. Bye bye. God bless ya. Namaste. Here I am home in Sweden. Bye bye.